How's it going, guys? Today we are taking a look at the Jedi robe for your Black Series action figures, and it's going to be a quick one, guys, because it's nice and easy. So let's get this fitted on Anakin. And there we go, straight out of the box. Obviously this does not look good. We've got a little trick to get it looking nice, and this is what we need to do on all of the robes that are available from ironheartcustoms.com. First, we need to head over and give your robe a little soak in the water. It doesn't matter if it's cold or hot, just get it nice and wet, but we're going to have to rinse off the excess just like this, guys, just so it's nice and damp. Alright, so we've got the damp robe. Just need to fiddle on with this a little bit and get it fitted on Anakin. The easiest way I've found is to put his arms straight back, then we can slide the arms straight into the armholes. It might be a little bit tough with it being wet. Well, there we go. Now it's just kind of a little bit of fiddling around to get it to sit nice on him. However you want to do this, but with his hood, what I do is make sure this bit folds outwards like this, you see, so it kind of sits on top of his chest. So pull this down and out. You'll have something that looks like this, and then we can just squash these sides down, and that looks like it's hanging more natural, like you would see on the Jedi. Maybe pull this back down so it hangs more natural. We can just fiddle on with this a little bit, guys. Get it to look how you want to look. Fiddle with the body and the arms. We want these pointed bits downwards. This is the same for if you are doing a fighting pose or anything. I would say get it wet, get it into the position you want, and let it dry and take your photo. But on this case, I'm just going to get Anakin standing, position the bottom so it looks something like that, and then we can take some photos. And once the robe is in position, just let it dry, and that will kind of set it in place. And then you can get your photos or put your figure on display. And it's a good idea if you want to reposition Anakin, just to get the robe into the best position possible, to wet it again, reposition, and then let it dry again. Thank you so much for watching, guys. These are available online now. Hit the link for my website in the description below. And if you like this video, please make sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button for more tutorials of my products on the way. Thanks, guys.